Page 99, Liza Jane. We're still in G position. You can see we're still using these chords in the left hand. They have a thing up above where you can do all kinds of wonderful stuff to have at it. I'm not going to cover that. I want to talk about Liza Jane. I'm going to start with the right hand. I like to do this one hand at a time. The right hand isn't doing much here. You have third finger on B, and that's really it. That's the notes you're going to get for the second line. Not a lot going on there. The left hand's got all the fun stuff. At the beginning here in the left hand, you're using these fingers, using the weak fingers. It doesn't matter really too much, and we need practice at this, so this is good. But all I'm doing is transferring weight from finger to finger. I'm not holding the hand still and trying to do it with the hand. So here, I'm just transferring weight over here, and I'm exaggerating it for the camera so you can see it. The motion is actually a little one. It's here, to here, to here, to here. So I'm using the weight rather than finger muscles trying to push these down. That's what I recommend you get in the habit of doing. Then the chords in the third measure, this G chord, D7 chord. I think you're supposed to write in the name of the chord. Well, I just told you, I spilled the beans there. That's pretty much the left hand. Then you put them together. Then together. Gets 4 counts, remember, and that's pretty much the piece. The second line is similar, not exact, but very close to the same thing. Now, 4/4 time, I forgot to mention that it is. That has a repeat sign. We're going to play it twice. Dynamic wise, it starts out medium loud at here. Now they're saying for the third measure it's loud. Well, the MF at the beginning of this underneath the staff should have been in the middle, in my opinion. That's it. It's just, you start out medium loud, that's the melody. And the third measure, you're loud, but the melody's in the right hand. Keep the chord soft. I say soft, I mean softer than the right hand. If it's as loud, these can be a little louder, but keep them under that. And then the second line goes back down to medium loud. And then loud. So the right hand is loud. The left hand, keep the left hand no more than medium loud and more like medium soft, actually. Now the speed wise, it's moderately fast. If you're going to sing it, how fast would you sing it? This is a fun piece, but you got to learn it first so you can build it up, because it has to be accurate. No hesitations anywhere or whatever. Now they are introducing one new thing here I want to talk about, and that is right under the moderately fast thing you see an NC and then in parentheses no chord. They don't need the no chord, they're just telling you what it means. NC you will see occasionally, and it means no chord. If you have a guitar player, someone playing with you, then it simply means they need to rest there. They don't play. On the first 2 measures, the guitar player doesn't. And then on the next one, when you write in the chord names for them, they play here. And then second line, again, it's in C again. So then that means anybody else playing are resting at that time. Let's try this out slowly together to make sure we have the notes and the rhythms. I'll give us 4 counts. Now we are going to repeat it. 1, 2, ready, go. 3, 4. 3, repeat. 4, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4.